Limited power to home mode. When operating in limited power to home mode, you don't export to the grid but you limit your system's available power to support your house usage. In addition to supporting your house usage, you also use your solar power to charge your house battery. Any extra solar power is sent to your battery storage and can be utilized later in the day. Usually during the peak power pricing period when electricity is more expensive. In most cases it's around 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you have any power left on your battery, you can continue to run your battery until you hit your desired reserve set point. Or you go back to using the grid after 9 p.m. when electricity is at off-peak. As for your reserve battery power, it simply sits available so it can be used as backup power during a grid outage if needed. When the sun comes back up in the morning, you can begin to harvest the power from above. And whole process starts all over again. Here is an example of a grid outage on Super Bowl Sunday in San Diego, California. It's somewhat uneventful because the lights didn't even flicker during the grid outage. You may not have a need for backup, but the option will be there if you need it in the future.